Hey guys, so this is a fast video for you to see what we're going to build next week. Okay, today we are Tuesday 27 August. So let's see. Let's go to new post. We cannot add new posts unless we are authenticated. So this one is using React and Firebase React hooks, but we're not using Redux or anything like that. I'm planning to build another one with context so you can see how to manage that. I'm not pretty good with context. I haven't used it that much, but I might try to build something similar to this one. Okay, so you can have the three options: React hooks, handling the state on each component, React Redux using hooks, okay, on both of those. So you can see how to handle component globally with Redux and React context. So you can see how to do it globally without Redux, but using context. So that's, I'm not sure when I'm going to build that. So let's continue with this. I use a little, so you know that that is a plan that I have. So we can edit. Okay, you can see we can edit this. So let's create another file first. So now we can access to the new post. Let's say another post. Okay, I have already that. Whatever. We can choose a file. Let me choose. Okay, this one. Create. It takes a little bit, okay, because the images are just too big. I did some testing. I forgot to change this. The React doesn't like the word class. It wants to use the class name to define CSS classes. Okay, so that's not a problem. We can fix that while we build this. So we get redirected. Okay, it takes a little bit to load. Okay, there it is. We can come here, edit the post. Okay, let's say updated so we can see that. Updated, and let's choose a file that is going to be this one. Open and update post. So let's wait a little bit until this is done. Okay, it's done. You can see that is updated now with another post updated and all this crap updated, and we can do the same, edit and all that. So if I log out, if I go to new post, you can see we cannot create a new post. And if I come back here and click one, I cannot see the edit. Okay, and I cannot edit or delete the posts. So let me close this, and we can handle that during the building of the project. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're going to build next week. So I'll start recording during this week, and yeah, if you have any suggestion about projects, so let me know and I will try to do something. I have several projects that I want to build. We're going to build from scratch, so it would be nice if you could also tell me what you want to see, and I will appreciate all the feedback about the tutorials I'm going to build. So yeah, and yeah, that's it, and see you on the next one.